All right, got the lights and the steps. Tell us what you think. Going up. All right, here we go. Some stairs, concrete stairs. We do have a nice job in San Francisco. We did about 4 or 5 years ago. I will leave a link down below. Here we're installing about 22 stairs, but this video is going to show us installing this upper portion of these concrete stairs. I believe it's about 4 or 5 of them. Now on plan, on papers, blueprints, a lot of contractors probably know it doesn't match once you get out in the field here. So only thing the client wanted is that the new stairs will be safe. We added some lights in there. I'll make a video on that. We also added some drainage that's going to take you guys, that's going to be tied into this retaining wall we're doing in the back here. So any questions, any comments, leave those down below. San Francisco Bay Area, hit us up. Sacramento area, hit us up. I'm going to let the video ride out. I might jump in it a little later on to explain some things if needed, but if not, sit back, relax, enjoy. It's May 25, it's June 25. We got a lot of graduation kids out there and young adults. Definitely want to give a shout out to my son, Jawan Johnson, for making it happen over there at San Francisco State. I'll see you this week. Again, any questions, any comments, leave down below. It's cool to ask for help. Wake up with good intentions. Everything's going to be all right. Appreciate it.
I was gonna be 4 steps because I was gonna go down, but when I was thinking about it and how I wanted to do it, I decided to make this one come out instead of coming down right here like it was, where it just goes down. I decided to do this so that we can put that channel drain. I didn't know if we was gonna do that. Hold it to that corner right there. I'm gonna double check because this is our last step. So 48, yeah, 48 plus 9 plus I'll take off a quarter. So 48, 57. Okay, that's it. There you go. Double check. Measure twice, cut once. 57. Yeah, and then we can finish this up, and then you go talk to him, and then just be like, hey, what you think?
Nah, he already came out.
¿Echa un poquito más atrás o lo de atrás?
All right, guys, with any job site, we do try to keep it nice and clean here. So if you're in the San Francisco Bay Area, Sacramento area, you look for this type of work where the job site is clean. For the most part, it is a construction site. Hit us up. All our information is down below. All our new subscribers definitely appreciate you. We just made that 24,000, so we're trying to hit that 25,000 by July 4th. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you like what you're looking for, definitely appreciate it if you do. Appreciate you guys. Again, any questions, any comments, leave those down below. Let's get back into the video. All right, here we go, guys. The steps are done. It came out nice. All these landings are 16 inches, 7-inch rise. See, we coming down, turn around a bit. It's going up. We're going to install those low voltage lights. I'm going to make a separate video for that. We're going to keep going down. Boom. Nice, nice, nice and even. Nice. These are 3-foot landings here. Look back up. Still gonna put the low voltage lights in. We're gonna come down, we're gonna come down, come down, come down, come down. Tell me what you guys think. Leave all comments down below. Big project coming up here. Be on the lookout. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you have, definitely appreciate it. It's cool to ask for help. Hang around people that's positive, wake up, good intentions, everything's gonna be all right. Appreciate it.